Police name person of interest in death of social media influencer. The St. James Police have named a man as a person of interest in their probe into the death of social media personality Anika Townsend, whose body was fished from the scene Reading, St. James on Friday morning, October 21st. A shoelace was around her neck and she had a wound to her head. The cause of the wound is not immediately clear. Her body was positively identified today. The police are asking RUSHANE Patterson of Prosper in Hanover to turn himself in at the Freeport Police Station by 5 p.m. on Saturday, October 22nd to assist with their investigations. We have RUSHANE Patterson as a person of interest in this investigation, and we are asking him to turn himself into the police by 5 p.m. Commander of the St. James Police Division, Senior Superintendent of Police Vernon Ellis told reporters. SSP Ellis also added that a motor vehicle has been seized in relation to the police probe in the matter. A series of operations have been conducted this morning in a neighboring parish, and a vehicle was recovered, he revealed.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!